The fifth row start with 2 chain. Double crochet in back loop only. Double crochet and increase back loop only. One double crochet, 2 double crochet and double crochet increase. Repeat. One double crochet, one, 2 double crochet and double crochet increase. Continue the pattern until the last. Now I finished the fifth row. I have 32 stitches now. Start with 2 chain and make double crochet in each stitch. Continue. Next round. 1 chain, skip 1 stitch and front loop only. Here. Make 6 single crochet. Next, make 1 chain and skip 1 stitch and make front loop only. Double crochet, 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and next skip 1 stitch here and make slip stitch.